PAW-some Crayola Art Kit, color, stick, and save the day with PAW Patrol. Unleash your child's creativity with the Crayola PAW Patrol Art Kit, where art meets adventure. Packed with 26 Pip-Squeaks Skinnies washable markers, 20 coloring pages, and a fun sticker sheet, this kit transforms ordinary playtime into a rescue mission filled with vibrant colors. The PAW Patrol-shaped carrying case keeps everything organized, making it the ultimate companion for creative kids on the go. It's art, fun, and cleanup all in one. Why settle for boring art supplies when you can have a kit that's as dynamic as your little artist? The PAW Patrol Art Kit stands out with its safe, non-toxic markers that deliver bold hues while being washable, goodbye stains. The compact case is perfect for travel, ensuring your child can color wherever adventure calls. Whether at home or on the road, this kit guarantees hours of screen-free entertainment. What makes this kit truly superior? It's not just a toy, it's an interactive experience. The PAW Patrol coloring pages are designed to engage young imaginations, with characters like Rubble and Marshall inspiring daring coloring missions. Add the PAW Patrol stickers to the mix, and your child's creations come alive with their favorite characters, taking their art to the next level. Looking for a gift that's fun, affordable, and durable? The Crayola PAW Patrol Art Kit is a surefire hit for birthdays, holidays, or just because surprises. Its high-quality markers are designed for lasting use, and the sturdy carrying case ensures the set remains intact after countless play sessions. Plus, it's priced to please both parents and gift givers alike. This isn't just an art kit, it's a gateway to creativity and adventure. Kids will love the freedom to create, while parents will appreciate the easy cleanup and portability. When you combine Crayola's trusted quality with the excitement of PAW Patrol, you get a toy that's worth every penny. Ready to save the day with colorful fun? The Crayola PAW Patrol Art Kit is calling your name.